My name is Marty Robertson. I'm currently with Oxford Learning, and I'm the Director of Operations, and I handle everything that has to do with field operations and training and supporting franchisees. No matter what group that we went to, the comment was almost the same. Okay, what's the number one thing you're taking away? Our franchisees would say, it's just different. I'm sure there's some stuff here that we've learned before that you've mentioned. I know if I look, I could probably find it in the material somewhere. But when I'm with a group of my peers and we're outside of the corporate space, and I know I can speak freely, we can exchange ideas, and the trainers and the people we're working with are coming from a different perspective. It's not head office. It's just different. We knew that we had great operators, great people who wanted to carry forward the mission of the company. But just because you're an educator or just because you came in and you're interested in business doesn't mean that you have all of the business skills necessary to move forward. And one of the things that we found with the performance groups is we had these groups of passionate, independent operators who really loved what we do, but they were looking for more. They want a new way to look at things. They wanted to engage with the business side of things and to round out their skill set, to build their own personal tools. And going through the systems, when they came out of the performance groups, the first thing we heard was, we want more. How can we go to the next level? And then we got into the graduate groups. And then it was like, but we're not done, right? They were hungry to consistently learn and understand how they could not only learn the skills, but implement the skills. They were coming back to us with, okay, this is what we would love in a report. We would find this information useful. And it became less about us teaching them how to do something and more about developing and furthering the relationship between the franchisor, the franchisees, and the way that we're able to collaborate on developing new things that are going to be useful to our franchisees. And all of it goes towards better performance, better longevity, better engagement, and a return for both the franchisee and for the franchisor.